Hi, welcome to Migraine Matters on Nutrition, Mental Health, and Wellness Decoded channel, where we unravel the mysteries behind this debilitating neurological condition. I'm your host Priya Srinivas, a certified nutritionist, childbirth educator, and a lactation consultant with over 24 years of experience in the field of nutrition and wellness. Holding a master's degree in food science from a prestigious University of Reading, UK, I bring a wealth of knowledge and expertise to this crucial topic. In this series, we will go deep into the world of migraine, explore the causes, triggers, and how diet, exercise, nutrition plays a very important role in this complex disorder. We will debunk the myths. We will also let you know the do's and don'ts and equip you with the practical strategies to manage and prevent these debilitating episodes. Whether you're a migraine sufferer or someone who wants to understand this condition, Migraine Matters is your comprehensive guide to understanding migraine. Join me on this enlightening journey as we shed light on this often misunderstood condition, and we will empower you with the knowledge to take control of your well being. So, what are these migraines? Migraines are not just severe headaches, they are complex neurological conditions which causes intense pain and can last for hours or even days. They cause a considerable discomfort, disrupting daily activities. Along with the pain, the person may suffer a variety of symptoms like nausea, vomiting, sensitivity to light and sound. Migraine is a result of abnormal brain activity affecting various neurotransmitters, blood vessels, and nerves in the brain. While the exact cause of migraine remains elusive, researchers have identified various potential triggers like diet, stress, hormonal changes, and dietary habits, which can be very important in our discussion. So, this brings us to our focus of today's discussion, understanding migraine, a role of diet and nutrition in migraine. There is mounting evidence that suggests a strong link between what we eat and the frequency and severity of migraine attack. Certain foods and ingredients are known to trigger migraine in some individuals, while some of the foods can be protective in nature. As we go deeper into understanding the role of diet and nutrition in migraine, it is very important for us to address the common food triggers that can potentially set off or worsen the episode. While individuals' response may vary, it is very important to maintain a food diary which will help us understand which are the foods and which are the ingredients which are consistently linked to increasing migraine frequency and severities. So, by identifying these culprits, it can be a game changer for migraine sufferers. So, let's explore the different common dietary triggers of migraine episodes. First and foremost on the list is an ingredient called tyramine. This is found in aged cheese, processed meats, and fermented foods. Tyramine is a potential trigger for many migraine sufferers. Next on the list is nuts and seeds. Peanuts, coconuts, almonds, sunflower seeds also contain high levels of tyramine and other migraine triggering components. It's best to avoid these. While caffeine can provide temporary relief to some migraine sufferers, research have shown that excess consumption can trigger off migraine episodes. artificial sweeteners like MSG, and alcohol such as red wine, beer, spirits are well known triggers of migraine. Another important thing on the list is the citrus fruits. Pay attention to consumption of citrus fruit and juices because citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, grapefruits contain high level of citric acid which can trigger migraine in some individuals. While delicious chocolate which contains caffeine can cause triggers in some people, it can also be soothing to others. Last but not the least is the dairy products. Aged cheese like cheddar, Swiss, blue cheese, which contain thiamine, are common triggers of migraine. Last but not the least, processed foods, fatty foods, and prepackaged meals contain a lot of additives and preservatives and artificial flavors which can trigger off migraine in some people. It's better to be away from gluten, which is a protein which is found in grains like wheat, barley, and rye, which can cause gluten sensitivity, which in turn can cause migraine attacks. But the exact mechanism of this is not fully understood. Now let's dive into which are the migraine friendly foods. While avoiding triggers is essential, it's very important for us to include migraine friendly foods in one's diet where it will be very beneficial. First is magnesium rich foods. Magnesium deficiency has been shown to trigger migraine in some individuals. So, things like green leafy vegetables and whole grains, which are magnesium rich foods, can reduce the frequency and severity of attack. Do include them in your diet. Other foods like omega fatty acids, which are found in fatty fish, flaxseed oil, walnuts, have anti inflammatory properties which will help the migraine symptoms. Always stay hydrated and drink up plenty of water to keep you away from your migraine episodes. Fiber rich foods will stabilize the sugar levels and promote digestive health, which indirectly reduce migraine attacks. Also important to keep in mind are dairy alternatives. You can look at things like almond milk, coconut milk, soya milk, and lactose free milk, and go in for a lactose free diet. Incorporating herbs and spices like ginger, turmeric, garlic, and cinnamon in your cooking not only add flavor but also have anti inflammatory property which are shown to reduce the frequency and intensity of migraine. It's important to note that food triggers are highly individualized, and what sets off migraine in one person may not affect the other. Keeping a detailed food diary and observing a pattern can be an invaluable tool in identifying your personal dietary triggers. By understanding and avoiding these common food culprits, many migraine sufferers have found significant relief and got better control over their condition. While identifying and avoiding common food triggers is a crucial step in managing your migraine episodes, we will be exploring in part 2 of our series the myths, the do's and don'ts, the environmental factors which get overlooked, which also plays a very important role in migraine episodes. Perhaps you need to also understand that a person to person, the story of migraine episodes vary. I will also be sharing my husband's personal journey where we will talk about his battle with migraine and how dietary and lifestyle changes have transformed his experience. This first hand account will not only provide you an invaluable insight but also an inspiration for people who are migraine sufferers. We will go deep into external elements like stress, hormonal changes in part 2. Before we wrap part 1, let us just keep few things in mind for managing our migraine episodes. I want to emphasize the importance of keeping a detailed food diary, writing down everything that you consume, the number of episodes, the severity, the symptoms, all of that. Keeping a food diary may seem to be a daunting task, but in the long run, it definitely helps out. Please remember, you are not alone in this journey. We are here to help you out, unlock the path of better migraine management, and improve your quality of life. Stay tuned to this informative and potential life changing installment. I hope this part 1 of Migraine Matters has helped you understand migraine and role of diet and exercise and nutrition, and given you a deeper appreciation for power of managing this complex condition. If you have found this information helpful and would want to continue learning more, kindly subscribe to our channel, Nutrition, Mental Health and Wellness Decoded. By doing so, you will ensure that you never miss out on an episode as we continue to look at various aspects of migraine management and other related topics. Thank you for tuning in and being a part of this enlightenment discussion. Your commitment to understanding migraine and exploring effective management strategies is truly inspiring. Until next time, take care and remember that you're not alone in this journey, and we are always here to support you. Until then, goodbye for now.